watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Cool night for West Michigan. Also a few flurries coming down. You can see that here on Storm Track Live. It's Newaygo County. We're just talking about a dusting, if anything. In fact, accumulations are incredibly unlikely tonight as we go through the overnight. We just don't have the moisture in the atmosphere. Plus, skies are partly cloudy and mostly clear anyway. Just not in the cards to see anything stick to the ground here. This is what it looks like right now with these light flurries moving in, headed toward 131. We'll track these eastward out of Newaygo County here in the next about 15 minutes here for southwestern Mecosta County, perhaps wrapping up in an hour or so. And again, not expecting anything to stick to the ground. So the star of the show tonight is actually the temperatures. We've rewound a couple days and then look forward 8 days. A lot of numbers on here, I know, but let me walk you through this. Saturday, we had that record-setting high temp of 57. Very unusual to be that warm in January, hence the record. Yesterday, we cooled off pretty rapidly, and then today's high, only 26. So that's a pretty sharp drop in and of itself. Now, take a look at the cool weather that sticks around through the work week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Temperatures range from 28 tomorrow, 26 here on Thursday, up to about 35 here for Wednesday and Saturday. And then Sunday, another branch, another shot of Arctic air sweeps southward, and that's going to be with us here early next week. Looks like the coolest air we've seen since January 2011 will be here in West Michigan. So you have to go back 2 years to find air that cold. Wait and see. It's going to be a treat for us, don't you think? 20 now in GR, 16 Battle Creek. The breeze has come down. If you saw us at 5 and 6, we promised a calm overnight wind condition setup, and we're just about there. Still a very light breeze in a couple areas across West Michigan, and so wind chills are still a few degrees cooler than the actual air temperature. For example, Grand Rapids, air temp right around 20, wind chill is 12. Those winds continue to come down, so that becomes less and less of a factor. Now, as far as that Arctic air is concerned, we're looking northward here into Ontario, Manitoba, Northwest Territories. A lot of cold air bottled up here, 40s and 50s below zero. That's that little, we'll get that little, just a little bit of an opening into the door to let some of that cold air down early next week. The 8-day forecast calls for no breaks from the chill this week. Our best chance of accumulating snow comes up Wednesday afternoon and evening, where we have a chance of 1 to 2 inches along and north of I-96. Other than that, nothing very exciting. The real cold stuff holds off until next week. A lot of snow chances on this 8-day forecast, but again, accumulation chances are pretty small. Wednesday afternoon and evening, it looks like the best chance at breaking out the shovel, and even that is marginal at this point.
Low on the snow.
Right, and we're actually on track for the 7th least snowy winter in Grand Rapids weather history, so we've got some catching up to do here.
We do. Okay.
Thanks, Kyle.
Thank you.